Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about adding and subtracting decimals. We're going to find each difference. So, if I was given these numbers, negative 18.278 minus a negative 6.8. Okay. Well, what do I need to do here? Well, I know subtracting a negative is the same thing as adding a positive, so I'm going to do that. We have negative 18.278 plus a positive 6.8. Now, when I take the absolute value of these two numbers, 18.278 is larger than 6.8, okay? And so what I need to do is just really find the difference between these two, but know that my final answer is going to be negative because here, when we took the absolute value, it is larger. So we line that up, 18.278, that comes first, it's larger, and we have 6.8 underneath, put trailing zeros to line up, make sure the decimal point's lined up, and we subtract the two. We find the difference, okay? Pretty straightforward. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 0 is 7. But 2 minus 8 can't really do that, right, doing this. So we take 1 from the 8. 8 becomes a 7. Put a 1 with a 2. 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. Don't forget the decimal place. 7 minus 6 is a 1. And bring down that 1. And so we have 11.478. But what's tricky is we knew it had to be negative. So we put a negative there, 11.478, and there we have our final answer. So quick recap, we're given negative 18.278 and we're subtracting a negative 6.8 from that, okay? Well, first thing I need to do, right, I made it a negative, subtracting a negative to be adding a positive. Then, since this number, absolute value, negative 18.278, was larger than 6.8, I knew I just had to find the difference and make the final answer negative. So I found the difference between the two numbers as if they were both positive, and that came out to be 11.478. Then from there, I slapped on the negative, so again my final answer here is just a negative 11.478.